Welcome to KayScience. If your child has a mock or GCSE exam coming up, I can show you how KayScience can help build their confidence and master their exams. Watch this video to see how they can do it.
Let's start with videos and quizzes. If your child has any knowledge gaps, and most students do, this is where they're fixed. If your child simply chooses the topic they don't understand, watches a short, clear teaching video, and then answers the quiz directly underneath. This is crucial. KayScience doesn't just test your child, it teaches them at home. Revision guides can't do that. Homework platforms can't do that. YouTube can't do that properly. Here, your child learns first, then checks their understanding immediately with instant feedback. That's how confidence is built, and confidence is what shows up in exams. As they work through topics, KayScience tracks their progress clearly, shows what's been completed, and even builds their KayScience worldwide rank to keep motivation high. Next, let's look at exam practice. This is where grades really improve. Here, your child practices real 4 to 6 mark exam questions. The exact questions that decide top grades. They answer the question, press submit, and the real mark scheme appears instantly. And if they don't understand how to get full marks, KayScience links them to the exact video that explains that mark scheme step by step. Instead of guessing, they learn how examiners award marks, and that's how students stop losing easy marks in exams. Now let's go to exam resources. Here your child has access to every past paper and every mark scheme all in one place. No searching online, no missing papers, no last minute panic. You can also clearly see that revision is happening, and that's the right kind of revision. The most powerful part of KayScience, our live tuition, which is included in your trial. These sessions run Monday to Sunday, usually between 4 and 9 p.m, on the hour, every hour, all planned in advance. To join, your child simply presses the green Tuition is Live button, and they're straight in. In these sessions, we teach the science clearly, then work through real exam questions live with instant feedback so students know exactly how to improve. For many families, this replaces extra tutoring and gives students regular, exam-focused support when they need it most. The best way to use KayScience is simple. Pick a weak topic, learn it, practice it, and apply it to exam questions. That's how grades improve, and that's exactly what KayScience is built to do.